You've probably seen these AI skeleton shorts all over your feed. There are channels popping up every single day getting millions of views with this exact type of content, and they're making thousands of dollars doing it. But in this video, I'm gonna teach you the exact method to create these shorts for free, step by step. And the best part, every tool that I use in the process, including the AI voiceover, editing, video generation, will be 100% free. And to make it even more useful, I'm going to recreate one of these shorts right in front of you, walk you through every single step, and show you the actual result at the end. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to make your first one today. There's no paid software, no complicated editing skills, no experience needed. Everything I'm about to show you is completely free. I've broken it down into simple steps, so even if you've never made a short in your life, you can follow along and get it done. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need is a script. Most people get stuck here because they don't know what to write or how to write it for shorts. So I've done that work for you. In the description of this video, there's a prompt. Just copy it, open ChatGPT, and paste it in. What this prompt does is it basically turns ChatGPT into a shorts generating machine. It gives you a complete viral script. It gives you image generation prompts for every single line, and it even suggests titles for your short. Everything you need in one go.
Bathing in the morning versus bathing at night. Which body is more clean?
So I'm going to take the topic of the short I'm recreating today, give it to ChatGPT, and just like that, I have a ready script with everything mapped out. That's step one done. Now, we need a voiceover for the script. So for that, head over to this website. It lets you generate AI voiceover and even clone your own voice for free and has no limit. You can choose your favorite voice from here. And if you can't find your favorite voice here, simply upload a sample of the voice here and you can generate the speech easily.
Bathing in the morning versus...
So, after choosing the voice, take your script, paste it here, and generate it. Done. Your voiceover is ready. Now this is where it gets interesting. Remember how ChatGPT gave us image prompts for every line of the script? We're going to use those now. Head over to Google Gemini. It's completely free, and copy each image prompt from your ChatGPT output. Paste it in and generate the image. Do this for every single line. By the end, you'll have all the visuals you need for your short, and it didn't cost you a single cent. Now here's the part that makes these skeleton shorts actually look good. We're going to animate every image we just generated. For this, go to your browser and search meta.ai/create. Sign into the website and you're in. Meta AI lets you turn your photos into short video clips for free with no usage limit. So take every image you generate, animate it one by one, and now, instead of still images, you have actual moving clips. That's what gives these shorts that satisfying cinematic feel. Alright, this is the part where most people give up, but trust me, this is the easiest part of the whole process. I'm going to use CapCut, but you can use any editing software you're comfortable with. Personally, I think CapCut is the best choice here because it's free, it's simple, and it has everything you need built in. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import all your clips and your voiceover. First, go through the voiceover and remove any empty gaps or pauses. This keeps the pacing tight. Then, generate captions, pick a style that looks clean, and now start placing your clips one by one according to the sentences in your script. Once all the clips are placed, it's basically done. But here's what actually makes these shorts perform better. Add sound effects. They keep the viewer's attention locked in. And the last thing is background music. The right background music genuinely brings the whole video to life. I've linked the exact track that most people use in the description. So grab that, add it to your timeline, and just adjust the volume so it sits underneath the voiceover without overpowering it. And that's it, your short is ready. Now, here's the short I made during this video, start to finish, using every step I just showed you.
Bathing in the morning versus bathing at night. Which one is actually cleaner? First, the morning bathers. You wake up tired and jump into the shower. It wakes you up instantly. You wash away sweat and bacteria from the night. You feel fresh, sharp, ready to start the day. Then the day begins. Dust, pollution, and sweat build up on your body for hours. And at night, you go straight to bed with all all of it. Now the night bathers. You end your day with a shower. You wash away everything you picked up outside. Your body feels relaxed, clean, and your bed stays fresh too. But while you sleep, your body still sweats. By morning, you're not as fresh as you think. So here's the truth. Morning showers clean your body after sleep. Night showers clean your body after the entire day. If we're talking about being truly clean, night bathing wins. Now tell me, what do you prefer?
This whole thing took me less than an hour. Once you get the process down, you'll get even faster. If you learned something from this video, hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps. And since this is my first video, I'd really appreciate it if you showed some support in the comments. It lets me know that you want more of this, and I'll keep making videos teaching you everything I know about growing on YouTube. I have a lot more to share, so stay tuned. See you in the next one.